This tutorial will cover creating a sidebar navigation or footer navigation using widgetized areas. First, to say you wanted to create a new sidebar menu, which a good example would be on this website. It's taking a second. And we'll come down here and say this menu I wanted to create in the sidebar. This one has some extra functionality through a plugin that's called the jQuery menu. To create it, I would first come to my menu area. I would create a new menu like usual. I would type in the new name and then select the pages and save the menu when the button pops up right there. And then that's all you have to do on this page. To make it show up in your sidebar, come to Appearance, Widgets, and this is your widget area that we've been through before. In this case, let's say that this theme has an option for 2 sidebars, and I can enable that or disable that on certain pages. We'll take a look here, for example. And every theme has a little tweak. Some do not have the native ability to do this, and some do, but most of them you can add it. In this case, I can have 2 sidebars on this page, or I could decide to have only 1 sidebar if I selected this option with sidebar and content as opposed to 2 sidebars. So say I wanted to change my secondary sidebar. Here it has an image widget, which I've inserted an ad for the kits. Has a text widget, which inserts my Google AdSense ads. And say that I wanted to switch that out for a custom menu. I could take out the Google AdSense, go to the bottom of the page, and by dropping it in this area at the bottom of the page, I can save the settings on that widget and come over to custom menu, which comes installed with any WordPress installation. Drag it over to my secondary sidebar widget area, and I would then be able to select the new menu I had created, which in this case I will select footer navigation. I can add my own title. Very creative today. You have to hit save, and then you would see it show up in your new widget area. So that's the navigation. You'll see it looks different than the other website because of some of the settings of this theme and so forth that I have set up. This one's really nice. It's called the jQuery menu. This is just another one of those plugins that you can find if you're looking around. I've added some of my own styling that you can get into if you're more advanced, but for most users, just using a simple sidebar menu is sufficient.